Welcome back to Official Senior Health, where we unlock simple, powerful tips to help you thrive every day after 60. If you're worried about losing strength or noticing your muscles just aren't what they used to be, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing a remarkable, delicious fruit that could be your new secret weapon against muscle loss. And it's so easy to add to your daily routine. Imagine this. You're heading out to meet friends, feeling more energized, confident, and strong, simply because you made one small change to your diet. You won't believe how one humble fruit can spark that transformation. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruit to eat, how to eat it, and why it works like magic for your muscles and overall vitality. Before we dive in, let's acknowledge a truth a lot of us over 60 face. Losing muscle mass is par for the course as we age. It's called sarcopenia, and it can start as early as our 30s, accelerating as we reach our golden years. That gradual decline can mean less strength for everyday tasks, lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or simply standing up from a chair. It can also affect balance, increasing the risk of falls. But here's the exciting part. You can push back against this decline, and deliciously so. What if I told you that by simply eating one fruit every single day, you could help preserve your muscle strength naturally, without fancy supplements or hours at the gym? You might be skeptical, but the science is on our side. So let's unravel how this simple dietary star works from the inside out. First, let's talk about why this fruit is so special. I'm talking about pomegranates, nature's jewel packed with nutrients that matter for muscle health. Yes, pomegranates. Those ruby red seeds are bursting with antioxidants called polyphenols, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two culprits that contribute to muscle breakdown. But that's just scratching the surface. Inside each juicy aril, you'll find potent anti-inflammatory agents that have been studied for their ability to improve muscle recovery after exercise. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that pomegranate extract reduced muscle soreness and improved strength recovery in adults after strenuous workouts. Now, imagine that same benefit helping you recover from your daily walks or light resistance exercises. So you wake up feeling less achy and more motivated to move. Stay tuned, because in just a moment I'll share an easy 5-minute pomegranate smoothie recipe that even non-cooks can nail. And it's guaranteed to become your new morning ritual. But let's get deeper into the nutrients. Pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen isn't just for your skin. It's crucial for maintaining the integrity of tendons and ligaments, the connective tissues that anchor muscle to bone. Strong connective tissues mean less risk of strains and injuries as you go about your day. Plus, the fruit delivers potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents cramps, keeping you steady and pain-free. Now I know what you're thinking. Pomegranates look tricky to eat. Those seeds are so fiddly. Here's the shocking truth. I'm going to show you 3 foolproof ways to enjoy pomegranate without the mess, so you can start benefiting immediately. First method, the classic seed sprinkle. Simply cut the pomegranate in half, hold it over a bowl, and tap the skin side gently with a wooden spoon. The arils will drop right out, falling neatly into your bowl. No fuss, no sticky hands. You can sprinkle these over your Greek yogurt, oatmeal, or even a leafy green salad for a vibrant crunch. Second method, the juice hack. If you prefer liquid form, pick up a bottle of 100% pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar. Pour a small glass each morning, and you've got a quick shot of polyphenols before you even brush your teeth. Just be mindful of the calories. Aim for about 4 ounces to keep things balanced. Third method, the freezer aril pouch. Many grocery stores sell frozen pomegranate arils in resealable bags. Keep a pouch in your freezer, and when you need that antioxidant boost, just grab a handful and toss them into your blender or thaw them briefly for snacking. But wait, before you rush to the store, I have an insider tip on choosing the best pomegranates to maximize those muscle-boosting benefits. Look for fruits that feel heavy for their size. That means they're full of juicy arils. The skin should be smooth and taut, without soft spots or blemishes. And if you see pomegranates labeled as organic, that's even better, since pesticide residues can interfere with the fruit's natural antioxidant punch. Now that you know what to eat and how to prepare it, let's delve into when and how often you should include pomegranates in your routine. For optimal results, aim for at least 3 to 4 servings per week. That could mean enjoying a handful of arils as a mid-morning snack, adding juice to your post-walk recovery drink, or tossing seeds into your evening salad. Consistency is key. Over time, those antioxidants and nutrients accumulate in your body, working to protect and rebuild muscle fibers. But pomegranates don't work in isolation. To truly maximize your strength, pair them with simple resistance exercises you can do at home. Think light dumbbell curls, seated leg extensions, or resistance band rows. Combine the nutrient-packed fruit with muscle-stimulating movement, and you create a synergy that helps preserve lean mass and build functional strength. And the best part? Both are completely doable without leaving your living room. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated exercise routines or intimidating gym equipment, you'll love how seamlessly pomegranates fit into a gentle, effective muscle maintenance plan. Of course, no lifestyle change is complete without addressing other pillars of health: hydration, sleep, and overall protein intake. While pomegranates contribute beneficial phytonutrients and a small amount of plant protein, make sure you're also consuming adequate protein from lean meats, beans, or dairy to supply your muscles with the building blocks they need. And remember, muscle repair happens mostly during sleep, so aim for at least 7 hours of good quality rest each night. Let's pause here for a moment. I have one final secret that will supercharge your pomegranate routine, and I promise it's something most people never think of, even though it's so simple. Ready? Drum roll, please. Chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids, which further combat inflammation, while kefir provides probiotics to support gut health, our unsung hero when it comes to nutrient absorption and immune function. This trifecta creates a powerful, muscle-nourishing parfait that tastes decadent but fuels your body like a champion. Try layering them in a jar. Start with kefir at the bottom, add a layer of arils, sprinkle chia seeds, and repeat. Let it sit for 10 minutes so the chia swells, and voila, a gut-friendly, anti-inflammatory snack that also feeds you muscles. Now, you might be wondering about cost and accessibility. Pomegranates can be a bit pricier than other fruits, but think of them as an investment in your strength, balance, and independence. If budget is a concern, prioritize frozen arils or bottled juice when fresh fruit goes out of season. And remember, a small serving goes a long way. You don't need a mountain of seeds every day, just a handful to reap the benefits. By now, you've learned how pomegranates combat inflammation, support collagen formation, regulate muscle contraction, and even enhance exercise recovery. You've discovered mess-free prep methods, pro tips for selecting top-quality fruit, and a delicious super snack recipe that combines gut health with muscle support. All that's left is to put it into action. So starting today, make a promise to yourself. Prioritize your muscle health with this simple, delicious fruit ritual. Whether you're walking in the park, playing with grandkids, or simply enjoying a quiet morning on your porch, let pomegranates be your companion in strength. And remember, small, consistent changes lead to big transformations over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with friends or family members who could use a strength boost, and subscribe to Official Senior Health for more natural tips to help you live your best life after 60. And ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and here's to stronger days ahead, one delicious pomegranate at a time. And this is Official Senior Health. See you next time.